Hi, I'm Viktor, simulation specialist at PLM Group. Let me show you how you can utilize the various mesh tools on 3DEXPERIENCE Simulia. I'll show you how to create this, the mesh of a full gear, just from the model of a single tooth or even half a tooth. If we start from this mesh, which basically is a 3D swept mesh, we can use first the Symmetry Meshing tool and create a symmetry of our swept mesh. We can use the geometry as symmetry plane. We make sure that nodes and mesh edges and constraints are captured and mesh. Now we have one tooth. Then we can use rotation mesh to create the rest. We need an axis of rotation. So I'm picking the Z-axis. We need to use the entire symmetry mesh and the first swept mesh, and I will create 19 instances, and there we go. In this way, the rotation mesh contains 19 teeth, and the last teeth is based on the swept mesh and the symmetry mesh. Let's put some colors on this, which we do here, display, color tools, and there we go. We can also choose to put everything in the rotation mesh. I'm just going to put 20 instances and remesh, and now we can hide these, and the entire gear is meshed in one mesh. Thanks for watching.